today talk about how can you fix this problem on your Free Fire Max app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it. When you click here on settings, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, then you click here on apps, come to apps this here, and here you're looking for Free Fire Max app, or just click on search, then here at Free Fire Max is going to show for you like this. You click on it, so then it's going to take you to an zip here. So then all you have to do, just click here on first stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on Play Cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, you click here on Play Store here. When you just click on Play Store, it's going to show for you like this. You search here for Free Fire Max, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here, if this click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.